In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Microsoft Outlook on the web. Let's get started by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Sign In option, which is typically prominently displayed. Click on that. You'll be directed to a new page where you need to enter your login details. Make sure you use your correct email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. After you've filled in your information, go ahead and click the Next button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. From here, navigate your way to the top right corner of the screen, where you should see the familiar settings icon, often represented by a gear symbol. Click on that icon to open up the settings menu. After opening the settings, you'll want to look for the General tab. The options may be organized into sections, so take your time to locate General. Once you've clicked on this tab, you'll see several options pop up. What interests us today is the Notifications section. Click on Notification to proceed. In this section, you'll see the option to turn notifications on or off. You have full control over this, so go ahead and select the option that best suits your needs. Perhaps you prefer them off when focusing on work or would like them on to stay informed about important emails. Make your choice by toggling the switch accordingly. Additionally, you can customize further by turning notifications for mail, calendar, and documents on or off individually. This is really useful if, for example, you want to receive calendar reminders but don't necessarily need document update alerts. Feel free to tailor these settings to fit your specific preferences. Once you've made your desired changes, it's vital that you don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button that should be somewhere on the page, usually at the bottom. Click it to ensure your adjustments are finalized. That's it. You've now learned how to control your notification settings in Microsoft Outlook on the web. Making these adjustments can dramatically affect your workflow and how you manage your tasks, ensuring you're notified of what's important and unbothered by the rest. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your digital workspace. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.